Hi, all my beautiful soul, or my beautiful king and queens. This is about twin flame and twin flame divinity versus shadow work. So this twin flame divinity and shadow works goes hand to hand. Now you guys will ask me, what is shadow work? Shadow works is something related with spirituality, like your spiritual awakening, something work like working on your spiritual ability. All those things comes under shadow works. For now, I can tell you this because if I start work talking about shadow work, so there are so many things involved in this, so it would take probably uh, 1 or 2 hours to explain everything. Initially I will make a separate video on shadow works, but this is for twin flame journey versus shadow work, your twin flame divinity versus shadow work. So today I have two options, green and red candle, green candle and red candle. Red, why red? Because this is a color of root chakra. Why green? This is a color of heart chakra. And about me, I am a psychic medium, I am a tarot card reader. I do tarot card reading intuitively, I do tarot card reading with spirit guidance. That's why my tarot card reading is quite accurate. 85% of the time, 90% of the time, my tarot card reading is quite accurate. And I have done my bachelor's from University of Edinburgh, Scotland. That is bachelor's in divine spirituality. I have experience working as a healer since last 14 years. I have completed my Reiki healing, that is Reiki Masters, Oshishui Shehiki Rohe and Karuna Reiki since 2006. Kabbalah expert. I am also a Kabbalah expert, and I do tarot card reading. I started doing tarot card reading since 2012. I have learned tarot reading from Academy of Tarot India, level 1, level 2, level 3, most advanced level. And if I talk about my bachelor's degree, that is not on zoology, botany or economy or something like that. I was not a professor earlier and then came back and doing something like, all of a sudden I started doing some spiritual things and started making videos. Not like that. So my background itself starts with the divine spirituality, and not now. It has started like it's almost 14 years back, from since 2006. So that's all about me. I have done my Karuna Reiki from ULC Chicago, where one of my professor was like is William Rand, the one who invented Karuna Reiki. And if you see my certificate, because I have posted my certificate on my Instagram and Facebook, if you see my certificate there, it has mentioned William Rand. So I have done certification, like my I have learned Reiki from the one who has invented Reiki, the Reiki, Karuna Reiki. So that's all about me. I'm practicing Reiki since 14 years, and working like doing tarot reading since last 8 years. You can check all my qualification below there in the description box. My phone number is 9953214108, and my email ID is futureluck2218@gmail.com. If you want to DM me, you can DM me on Instagram, 888 future reading. That's the name of Instagram. And if you want to see my testimonials, you can check Facebook. I have mentioned all those people whom I have done healing, even the twin flames. They have mentioned their testimonials. In fact, I would like to see all their testimonials. Those who I have done healing, but half of them only posted their experience over there. Some people, they don't wanted to reveal their name or identity, so that's why they did not put their testimonies over there. But still, you can check all the testimonies. They are in brief, and you can also check those people name, because they are not fake. They have this Facebook account since last many years, and they are quite genuine. You can see their workplaces and everything over there. So starting with red color, red candle, let's see your twin flame divinity versus shadow work. What shadow work you supposed to do, what you will do in future, and what is your twin flame journey is about. Okay, so guys, you guys are in like sun moon, you are in sun moon rising, definitely Leo and Virgo and Taurus. um, Leo, Virgo, Taurus, Scorpio, Cancer, Aries, and Pisces. So that's your energy I'm getting over here. Some people are like the numerologically they are 5, number 5, 23, and 14, number 1. Either of your date of birth, number 1, 10, and 28, number 3, 21, and 12, and number 20 and 2, number 16, number 8, 26, and 17. So as a quick check, you guys are nowadays you are traveling quite a lot, like you are running from here to there, probably you are returning to home. And I'm seeing some person like I can clearly have a vision, like I am seeing in vision that there is a girl who just reached their home. She was like she was very emotional, and she was kind of crying in front of their parents. She thought that she will die in this COVID season. So congratulations guys that you have already reached your home, and with all the safety, and you are managed to reach your home. Here for you guys, like you have to actually ask your ancestor. You already had this spiritual ability inside you. You have this shadow works, shadow things inside you, like you actually have to work like a lion. You have to awaken like a lion. You have to become very strong, and that personality you have within you, but you are unable to come out with this personality. Why you are unable to come out with this personality? Because the exploration of your twin flame journey, you only into the love part. You are not able to focus on in the part of your real twin flame sharing love. So this sharing love is what, like if you have something, like you have something in your mind, if you have some quality, and you have something, some power to do something for others, you are unable to give others that kind of service. Why you are unable to give your service to others? Because you are sad and isolated, just because your twin left you. So you just, your focus has gone. Like you were earlier thinking about awakening your spiritual ability. You were earlier thinking about going ahead in your life and awaken your spiritual ability, awaken your spirit within yourself. See, twin flame is journey is like twin soul, like soul to soul journey. But you need to be a spiritual, to be a spiritual person, you need to awaken your spirit with which is actually there inside you. You have to explore your within, like your within spirit. You have to explore in that, and you have to find almighty god inside you. You have to find your energy inside you, and that energy you are unable to catch because there are so many things happening with you. You are trying to rebuild your twin flame relationship. You are trying to get your twin flame back, like your basically your divine masculine or divine feminine back. And because you want to get that person back, you are going into some circumstances, some places, or some situation you are getting enter in, which is like hopeless and helpless situation. You won't be able to do like this. You have to become a lion to get these things, like the way lion roar, or the agility, the powerful, the strong point of the strong things. You have to become that strong. You are very weak when it comes to emotion. You are very weak. You are emotionally weak. Your emotion flows here to there and there to here. So that's kind of a things where you are lacking. You have to shadow work. What shadow work you have to do? You actually, to awaken your things, you just have to become very strong. You are not that strong. You feel isolated, you feel alone, you feel sad, but you just have to come up with your own strong ability, your own agility, your own power. That power has gone somewhere. You are not that person. You have to become tigress. You have to become lion to get that things happen. you have to become very strong and powerful to get the things happen. So within yourself, focus within yourself, don't change your focus and get the strong person. You have to control your emotional to do so, and your emotion is kind of flowing ups and down, ups and down. Now every day it happens and you become sad. You at the end of the day you become sad and isolated. You sit somewhere and you see why they have blocked me, why he is not talking to me, why she is not talking to me. So this is, guys, this is neither a twin flame journey things. I'm not seeing that there is anything like twin flame, twin soul. You are not strong enough to complete this journey, to complete this journey, to get your things back, your divine spirituality, divine masculine back. You need to focus in your shadow work. And what that shadow work is, you need to heal yourself from this sadness. You need to come out from this isolation. You need to be happy and you need to be powerful. More than happy, you need to be powerful. You are very like you don't have that confidence. You are like a low confidence person. So that confidence, when it will come inside you, and your till now your boyfriend or girlfriend is not at all your to divine masculine or divine feminine, because they are also not spiritually awakened. So your boyfriend or girlfriend, your divine masculine or feminine, when they will see that okay, so this person is strong now, they are, whatever the way I heard them, it doesn't work, so they will come back to you. So you have to become strong. You have to get that strong things inside you, and that is what universe is suggesting you. Now let's see whether you will be able to get that strong things within you or not in next few months, whether you would be able to do such work or not. Yes, you have to gain lots of knowledge, respect to that. You have to become very strong, and you also have to become a strong woman. A strong woman, you have to become a strong man or a strong woman who doesn't see love only a love looks like you know, who doesn't go get into the love and flow anywhere. You just have to become very strong. You have to become very powerful. You have to control that person. That controlling things is not at all there within you. So when you will control your own emotion, you would be able to control his emotion or her emotion too. So that is what universe is suggesting. So that is what the shadow work, your spiritual divinity versus shadow work for twin flames. Please focus on your shadow work. This is for those who choose red color candle. Now for those who choose green color candle, let's see. What is your reading? So you guys are in sun moon rising. You guys are definitely Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn, Libra, Aquarian and Gemini, and Aries, Leo and Saggy. What is happening in your journey? Are you able to create something within you? Yes, you are. You are able to create. One good thing is to forgive whatever he or she has done with you. Whatever he or she has done with you, you have a clarity in your mind that you have to do this, and you have actually going to fulfill your journey. Wow, this is really good. You are actually focusing in within you, and you are in right path, and within sometimes you are going to fulfill this journey. You are going to complete this journey. So what time it would be? I am seeing that within 1.5 years you are going to complete this reunion process, because you are already in a process of getting into a spiritual world. You already enter into the spiritual world. You are taking healing, or you are doing your own healing. You are meditating, you are manifesting, and you are getting everything done within yourself. So there are roar, there is agility, there is calmness, there is composedness, and there is control. of emotion over here. You also learn to how to forgive, you also learn how to sleep in peace, you also learn how to take care of the people in the process, and you also know how to protect your love. You also learned how to start with the person who actually hurt you a lot, and you also knew that how to clarify within your mind that this is a twin flame journey, whatever happened happened and let it go. So this is the things I was talking about. Actually I was telling all you guys when I was doing reading for this red candle pile. This was missing there, but here it is there. So you have learned everything in this journey. Now you are totally ready to fulfill this journey, and you are definitely going to fulfill this journey within 1.5 years. Your twin flame twin soul is definitely going to come back. They already started dreaming about you, they think that they want to come back to you, but they don't know the way they want to come back, which way they have to come back. Wow, see, so here there is a different story. Like, you become a leader and you actually fought the battle with evil. You know, right, you guys know that twin flame, what is twin flame does. Like, whenever this twin flame been created by universe, there is a higher purpose of universe, for which universe created twin flame twin soul. And what universe wants them to do, they want them to be together and do some good work for universe. That is something good for society, something good for universe, something good in spirituality, something to do with related with spirituality. So what happened with you? Like, you were in depression, you were in distress for a long time, but finally you learned to forgive the person who hurt you. You kept on saying, initially in past you kept on saying, oh my god, this person hurt me, this person is not with me, this person was not with me when I was going through hell. But this is a time when you focused on this person, you almost into a likely energy of representing a stronghold yourself, and you focused and you forgave this person. You went to bed with a peaceful calmness, calm sleep. You gave blessings to the people, like you actually became helpful to the children and other old people. You did charity, you completed to regard to complete this journey. You actually did a fresh start within yourself. With yourself you did a fresh start, you actually took a fresh start, and you protected your love from the evil spirit. How you protected your love from the evil spirit? Because you within yourself you became a different person, a total different person, who can forgive, who can sleep calm, be calm. And then devil saw that, oh my god, this person is very calm, cool, this person is, I cannot hurt this person doing this. And then this devil things, this iblis things, this Satan things has gone out of your life. This darkness went out from your life, and you send them off. They did not go, you are the person who sent them off. That, hats off to these guys. Like, those energy I'm picking today is like really good. You guys are in, like, you have the numbers like 6, 24 and 15, number 11, number 23, number 8, number 22, and number 4, 24 and 13, number 7, 25 and 16, and number 4. It's coming like that. So you are the person who took initiative and who actually did not hold back with your emotion, and you just throw off the emotion, cut off everything, and you became calm and cool and started doing charity, good work, and you had clarity in your mind, had a good sleep. You forgave everything in past, and you went away from those past things, like past karma or past relationship baggage. You just took them off and you healed your heart, your own, which is a very good thing. Guys, congratulations, this journey is going to be fulfilled within 1.5 years. Definitely come back to me and write below to this video that you are able to complete this journey or not. Thank you guys for watching my video. I would like to tell you what is shadow work is and how it reflects in your twin flame journey, how it works in twin flame journey. So the shadow work is nothing but shadow work is your own spiritual awakening. Your spiritual awakening is must within in twin flame journey. So shadow work has many other things also, but in shadow here the shadow work is you to overcome your twin flame trial, overcome your darkness, and become a spiritual person, a real true healer, a real true motivator, a real true spiritual writer, a real true social worker. And that is what the shadow work, the within yourself, within your spirit, you just have to take off all those baggages, all those sadness, all those isolation you have gone through, all those pain you have gone through, and come out of that and get into the true spirituality. Usually those who are in true spirituality, they call themselves spiritual healer, but they are not able to get rid of their own things like own proudness, own lust, own greediness. So they get into the pit and they go drawn. I know there are so many big healer, they actually come on YouTube and many other places and they say many things. Not, I'm not talking about all are not like that, but they say many things, but within themselves they are very greedy. They cannot give up these money things. But if you are able to give all your bad habits down, like you throw them back to universe and you become a new person, you become a person who lives in spirit, then your twin flame would definitely come back to you and your reunion is going to happen. That is must, and that will happen for sure. That is my assurance. And this actual reading was totally about it. That was totally about this particular topic. And thanks for watching my video. Keep watching my video and subscribe my channel, and please participate in giveaway, that is free reading. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day. God bless you. Take care.